So today I decided that my target today was the strength program that I've been putting off all week. The reason I've been putting it off is because it hurts like hell and it's not a good type of hurt. However, what I did was I put some AC/DC on and turned it up loud so then I could avoid it. Anyway, I have done my 25 minutes of strength. Wasn't nice, but here's the workout that I did. Now, for the leg strength, I actually had to adapt it as I went because it is really sore for me to do leg strength and I dread it, but I know I need to do it. So I did my hamstring curl standing up and I had to have a rest in between them. And I did seated squats, but actually they're really painful for me. So I started on lower on a 5 bench. I used to be able to get up off a 0 bench. Started with a 5 bench and then I had to raise it to 6. But that's all right. I really pushed the weight back through my heels to take it off my knee as much as I could, and that helped me feel it more in my quads, but it still causes knee pain, so I had to stop. But you're not going to have that problem, so you can carry on. Day 2 consecutive triumph. Cheryl the cake lady. No, Cheryl, I don't want cake. Hey. So, junk food continued triumph, continued failure, meals before 7 p.m. It's really flipping tricky when you don't finish work till 8 p.m. and there's actually no meal break in there that you would even be able to have a dinner in. So I'm really not sure what the solution is for that. But yeah, the rest of my self-made rules I'm doing pretty well on. So that is good. How are you doing today?